The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid, and the calf and the young lion and the fatling together, and a little child shall lead them. For the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. Their young ones shall lie down together, and the lion shall eat straw like the ox. For the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. For the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. They shall not hurt nor destroy in all my holy mountain, for the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. For the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. For the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. Isaiah chapter 11.